And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 22. Let's continue with the top functions where we've got basic objects created. Opacity is the next one that I want to talk about. And this is simply the opposite of transparency. So for example, if you have a transparency of 100%, it would be invisible. Therefore, opacity of 100% makes it fully visible. It's simply the inverse. But keep in mind, when you just set it right here, you will not affect anything. So you have to have the object selected. Let me set it to 10%, then I left click on the object. It switches to 100% automatically because it indicates what opacity the object has. I can adjust it here numerically. Simply type it in and press enter. Or you can left click on this little arrow and this will give you a slider for the opacity. Let me switch the color. You can see nothing happens because the opacity is 0. So whenever you change the color of an object and you don't see anything, check the opacity, maybe that it's 0%. Another thing to add, what the color will look like if you reduce the opacity depends on the background. So here we have this white canvas and the grayish background. And with the same opacity, obviously it's going to look different depending on where you position your objects. And it's very important when you have multiple objects. So let me hold Alt here, drag a copy out of there. Let me make that red. I put it on top of the green one. And then I put it right here where we have the white and the gray background. I select only the red one. And now I reduce opacity. You can see that now it also blends with the greenish one, which is in the background. So it's below the red one, and therefore you're going to have these different color effects for the red rectangle. One more thing to add, under window you will find the transparency. Let me go down right here. You can also see it on the right hand side. It's this double circle. And here's the opacity again, so it's the same one that we've got at the top. And this obviously doesn't just work on rectangles, it works on all objects that you create, and not just the basic ones, so rectangles, circles, stuff like that. Every object that you create, even text in Illustrator, has its own opacity and you can adjust that. And this I can use the opacity in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.